Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. In the previous class I discussed on the topic insolation, but today I will discuss on the topic heat budget of the earth. After all, what is the budget? If we talk in economic term, budget is the statement of account. Budget is the statement of account of expenditure and revenue. Budget is the statement of account. Statement of account. Budget is the statement of account of revenue and expenditure. Expenditure. What is budget? Budget is the statement of account of revenue and expenditure. And if we talk in geographic term, heat budget of the earth. Then if we talk heat budget of the earth, then you can relate that budget is the relationship. Budget is the relationship between the incoming solar radiation and outgoing terrestrial radiation. And you can say when incoming solar radiation is equal to the outgoing terrestrial radiation, that is called heat budget. Incoming solar radiation is equal to outgoing terrestrial radiation. It is called heat budget of the earth. And heat budget maintains the earth's temperature. Heat budget maintains the earth's annual temperature at about 50 degrees centigrade. Heat budget maintains the earth's annual temperature at about 50 degrees centigrade. And what happens what happens if this heat budget is disturbed? If this heat budget is disturbed by any factor, then if this heat budget disturbed, then the temperature of the earth's surface would be progressively warmer or colder. If the heat budget of the earth disturbed, then the earth's temperature would be warmer or colder. And let us see what is the heat budget of the earth and atmosphere. Heat budget of the earth and atmosphere. Heat budget of the earth and atmosphere. The earth receives its energy. By global radiation. The earth receives its energy by global radiation, and the solar radiation coming from the sun, towards the earth's surface is called incoming solar radiation. Because incoming solar radiation, and it is in short waves. It is in the form of short waves. the solar radiation which is coming from the sun towards the earth's surface is called incoming solar radiation, and it is in the form of short waves. And the solar radiation in the form of heat goes towards the atmosphere from the earth's surface is called outgoing terrestrial radiation. Outgoing terrestrial radiation. And it is in the form of long wave solar radiation. In the form of long wave solar radiation. This is the heat budget of the atmosphere, and let us see the heat budget by an example and figure. Suppose that from the sun, if the amount of solar radiation is 100% or 100 units, 100% or 100 units, 100%, and 35% is reflected by atmosphere, 35% is reflected by atmosphere, and the remaining solar radiation 65% absorbed by reaches to the earth's surface, and from this 65%, 14% is absorbed by the atmosphere. 14% absorbed by atmosphere. And after that only 51% reaches absorbed by atmosphere, absorbed by the earth's surface. 51% solar radiation absorbed by the earth's surface. And after that the outgoing terrestrial radiation is started from the earth's surface, and outgoing terrestrial radiation is starts from the earth's surface, and 70% solar radiation, 70% solar radiation is directly reflected to the space. Solar radiation is directly reflected to the space, and only about 34% from 51%, 34% absorbed by earth's surface, and radiating into to space and radiated to space from 51%, 17% solar radiation reflected to the space and 34% absorbed by the earth's surface and radiated to space and absorbed by the atmosphere. Then let us see what is the amount of solar radiation. What is the amount of solar radiation which is absorbed by the atmosphere in the process of outgoing terrestrial radiation. Here let us see here 14% by the incoming solar radiation is absorbed by atmosphere, and here 34% absorbed by the atmosphere. What is the total amount of the solar radiation which absorbed by the atmosphere? 14% plus 34% is equal to 48%. 48% is absorbed by the atmosphere. And let us see in after 48% absorbed by the atmosphere, outgoing terrestrial radiation process is going, then 70% solar radiation reflected to the space already, and 48% solar radiation is also reflected to the space, also radiated into space. What is the total amount of solar radiation which is going towards the space? 48% plus 17% is equal to 65%. Then what happened? It is the outgoing terrestrial radiation. And here you can see this is the incoming 65%. This is the incoming solar radiation. And what are you seeing in this figure? The incoming solar radiation means 65% and outgoing terrestrial radiation 65% is equal to each other, and this is the heat balance. This is called heat balance or heat budget. Heat balance or heat budget, because here incoming solar radiation and outgoing terrestrial radiation is equal. And after that, after this flow chart, let us see this heat budget by the another example, by the another figure. After this flow chart, let us see by the another figure of heat budget. Suppose that here is sun. Suppose that here is sun, and this is the sun's outer surface, and here is the atmospheric outer surface. that is called exosphere. Exosphere. And here is atmosphere, and this is atmosphere. And suppose that from the sun, the solar radiation, the amount of solar radiation is coming towards the earth's surface, and it is at about 100 units. Then what happen when this solar radiation comes to, this is earth's surface, when this solar radiation comes to the outer surface of the atmosphere, and enter in the atmosphere, then what happen, the amount of solar radiation at about 35%, is reflected back to space. Then the remaining energy at about 65% is coming towards the earth's surface. 65% coming towards the earth's surface. And then what happened, from this 65% energy, from 65% energy, 14% is absorbed by the 65%. From 65% energy, 14% is absorbed by the 14% is absorbed by the atmosphere. 14% is absorbed by the atmosphere. And then what happened, only 51% reaches at the earth's surface. 51% reaches at the earth's surface. 51% solar radiation is absorbed by earth's surface. And from here the process of outgoing terrestrial radiation is started. From 51%, 17% energy reflected back to space, directly reflected back to space, and only about 34% absorbed by the atmosphere. 34% absorbed by the atmosphere. Then what happened, this 34% that is absorbed by the atmosphere, and this 14%, which is also absorbed in the atmosphere, is added in each other, and 48% energy reflected back to space goes towards space. And this 48% energy is going towards space, and this 17% energy is also reflected back to space, and it is added in each other. 48% plus 17%.